Hey guys, Deontay here, and welcome to today's video. I hope everyone watching this is having a great day. Today we are pushing for the next step to my 700 horsepower J Series rebuild. And for the first 8 minutes of today's video, we're going to be deep cleaning the bottom end of this J37. No music, no talking, just straight ASMR on this rainy day. Hope you guys enjoy. Drop a like. I'll see you guys at the end for the full update. And 6 hours later, our parts are clean. I regret not wearing gloves. 6 hours of cleaning all these sharp edges and stuff. I got a lot of cuts, and if you're wondering why I wasn't, it's because I'm moving the camera around. It just makes it a little easier. Our block looks great. Still some spots that I can do a deeper clean on, but we've gone over this so many times. We use 5 cans of the oven cleaner. It cleans up great though, that stuff really works. Our next step, crankshaft is gonna go in to get balanced. However, there's been a slight hiccup because we are swapping out bearings. This is the HX style bearing, and apparently people have been having some issues with them. So we're gonna be swapping these. So I think they're gonna need the bearings and they're gonna need all these parts to balance the crank according to the weight, is what I've been told. It's my first motor build, so we gotta make some phone calls, but that is the next step. So I'm excited. It's taken a little bit longer than we expected, but it's gonna happen. I always do what I say I'm gonna do. Okay, let's take a vote. Do we delete the entire AC line or do we keep it? I think we can delete it, because I hate this. I hate having this blocking a lot of airflow. So what do you guys think? For more performance, should we delete the whole AC, go with the smaller belt, make more power? I don't really drive this car anymore, and if we're gonna be pushing that much power, might as well be able to use all of it, right? We're still on the fence about it. Do I want to have something practical? I don't plan on like racing the car. I just really want to have a really clean, fun street car. What, maybe 10 pounds going out and a little bit more airflow, smaller belt, one less pulley to turn. After all that's said and done, and you're adding some power, but is it worth sacrificing AC though? I don't know. So that's the update, guys. Right now, Taylor is working on the heads and my new manifold. We're going with the J37 manifold. So he's getting those ported, he's getting the heads ported, and swapping out the cams in them. Then we're just waiting on these parts and the rebuild begins. So that's the update, guys. Thank you for watching to the end. Make sure you guys drop a like. It's the best free way to support me. I'm one of the only consistent YouTubers with the Acura TO and doing something pretty special with this. So if you guys are a fan of the platform, the best thing you can do is just drop a like, subscribing, because right now I have nothing to sell you guys, but we are working on some special things. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you shortly.